Equipson introduces the Integra Series, an advanced digital signal processing matrix from its WorkPro brand, designed for professional audio installations. The series, suitable for various settings, features per-channel DSP architecture, multiple input-output configurations, and user-friendly software for enhanced audio control. So, Mary, can you talk to us about this one?
This solves so many problems. Number one, it allows having individual controls over every single channel. Now, for example, if you've got someone on mic 1 who really mumbles a lot, you can control that without having to control all the other audio. If we listen to a lot of programs right now on our different streaming services, you'll probably find that you're adjusting the volume control all the time. And this type of device would help solve that problem. It also has, I was quite impressed because it's got gain and compression on each individual input and output. I'd be curious to try it out. I'd love it if they just sent us one to play around with. It also has compression on each output as well. And just to make everyone happy, it also has enabled Dante, which just solves so many problems having AES 67. It does. It also has an app so that you can control things by a mobile device, which again makes things easier. So yeah, I could see a tremendous amount of installations that this could be used for. So well done, guys.
Yeah, I have a question on that. This is because I'm not an audio person, but is it consistent, or do you consistently adjust things like that throughout a broadcast, or is this something that's typically used at the beginning? You set up your levels and whatever else you need, and it's good to go.
You would set up the levels, but then you'd be constantly monitoring it. And
Okay.
certainly after in post-production, you should be able to make some adjustments. And right now, I just got finished watching some things that, oh my gosh, it was almost, you almost couldn't watch it because the audio levels were just so all over the place.
Yeah.
And something like this solves it.
Oh, perfect.